Trixie and Noelle. Now Trixie's gonna steal the bone that Scamper dropped. Yep. She's a thief. She's a little bone thief and a toy thief. But I love her anyway. You wanna play with Scamper, Noelle? Play London Bridge with Scamper? Scamper, did she take that from you? Oh, let's get a picture of Meryl here. Hey, no photo bombing. Give me Meryl. Ivy, I don't. Oh, nope, not Ivy. Noelle. What? You're gonna attack me? Here, how about we attack your rooster? Yes, it's much more fun. Whoops, sounds like somebody got shut in the bathroom by mistake. No, Meryl. No. Here, I got something else to show on. Here, let's be a little more constructive with our chewing. Here, you play with Trixie. From me, Trixie. Scamper Noelle. No, Trixie got it back. It's a short attention span. Very short. Ivy, what are you doing? You pestering Holly when she's trying to chew on something? You're going to have a big sister where you're going. She might put you in your place. Doing well. You got the bone. Yes, you did. You got the bone. Yes, you want to be petted? You want to be petted? You always want to be petted. Yes, you do. You're a snuggler, aren't you? And Candy got the rooster. Hi, Noelle. Looking for us, Trixie. Looking for something to steal? On to the next thing, Ivy. Two mamas. You girls aren't even faking like you're trying to watch over these puppies. Alright, who's squeaking? Somebody get bit? There's Ivy. There's Meryl. Must be one tasty bone.